the goal of humane educators is to prepare their students to be solutionaries. So that requires that they both get defined. So a humane educator is somebody who is going to teach about real world issues, and whether they're a humane educator who only does humane education, which is rare because teachers aren't usually hired to be their school's humane educator. I haven't even heard of that happening once yet, although I think it's a great goal for schools to hire humane educators in the same number that they hire math teachers. But really, it's somebody who is going to bring real world issues, global ethical issues, issues related to social justice and the environment and protecting other species into the curriculum in whatever ways that it fits, with this goal of their students becoming solutionaries. So that's a made up word. What does it mean? So a solutionary isn't just a problem solver. So you can be an engineer who solves problems, but that doesn't necessarily make you a solutionary. So a solutionary is somebody who is addressing real world issues again, and they're looking for the systemic and root causes of problems. They're becoming systems thinkers and critical thinkers and strategic thinkers and ultimately creative thinkers who can devise solutions that do the most good and the least harm to people, animals, and the environment. And so that's unusual. When we think about solving problems, usually we think in terms of one category. So I'm going to solve this problem of hunger, which is hard enough to solve, but how can I solve it in a way that is also doing the most good and the least harm to the ecosystems that support all life and to the other species with whom we share the planet? Then it's harder.